Here's a video showing the loading process. We were fortunate because doing the work at the Elgin shop allowed us to access materials and equipment that we might not have had on site, or which we might have had to wait to have mobilized or so forth. So here you can see William, one of the Elgin employees, loading sediment from the from the roll-off into a hopper. You can see even after sitting for a month, this material is still pretty wet, sticky. It sticks in the loading bucket. The hopper has a catch-release mechanism, which you'll see later, that allows it to be dumped directly into the tank. So that made the loading process easier, so William did not have to grab a scoop and then back up and dump it into the plastic tank that you see off to the right in this shot here. The advantage of this system also is that we were able to take the hopper and take it to the shop scale and weigh it. And having taken samples earlier in the day, weighing them, drying them out in the oven during the course of the day and even overnight, we knew the solid content. So between the weight of the amount of material we're adding into the tank, the amount of material in the tank, and the solids content, we know our slurry.
501.
There you see 501 pounds in this particular case, tear weight of that hopper. And here's the Kendall releasing the catch mechanism and the sediment being dumped into the tank, and you can see the splash it made. After we loaded the right amount of sediment for our solids feed, we hooked up the flow line so that it cycled back on itself. And so now at this point we're pumping from the bottom of the tank and then flowing back in the top, and what you see is a lovely Willy Wonka-esque chocolate waterfall, which helped us really get the tank slurified appropriately.